Hello everyone, my name is Bernie and welcome to my channel Bernie to the Rescue. Today's video is about Web3 and its potential benefits to society. If you like the content and find it helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, or simply share it with a friend or family member whom you love and may find it helpful. Thanks. Now let's get into the video. What is Web3? Web3, also known as Web 3.0, refers to the next evolution of the internet, where decentralized technologies such as blockchain and smart contracts allow for greater security, privacy, and autonomy for users. Unlike the current centralized model of the internet, where a few large companies control the flow of information and data, Web3 technologies enable a decentralized network where users have more control over their own data and can interact with one another without the need for intermediaries. This allows for the creation of new applications and services that were not possible before, such as decentralized finance and non-fungible tokens. Web3, also known as Web 3.0, is the next evolution of the internet, where decentralized technologies such as blockchain and smart contracts allow for greater security, privacy, and autonomy for users. But why is this important, and why should we care about Web3? The truth is, the current centralized model of the internet has led to a few large companies controlling the flow of information and data. This has resulted in issues such as data breaches, censorship, and a lack of privacy. Web3 technologies, on the other hand, enable a decentralized network where users have more control over their own data and can interact with one another without the need for intermediaries. One of the most exciting potential use cases for Web3 is decentralized finance. DeFi is a set of financial applications that are built on blockchain technology and allow for peer-to-peer transactions without the need for intermediaries. This has the potential to lead to greater financial inclusion and could potentially disrupt traditional financial systems. Web3 technologies also enable the creation of non-fungible tokens, which allow for the creation of unique digital assets that can be bought, sold, and traded on the blockchain. This has the potential to revolutionize the way digital art, collectibles, and other types of digital assets are created, owned, and valued. But perhaps most importantly, Web3 technologies give users the power to take control of their own digital identity, managing their personal data, and proving who they are without the need for intermediaries. How to use it? Using Web3 technologies typically requires the use of a digital wallet, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet, that can interact with the blockchain. Next, you will need to create a new wallet or import an existing one. This will involve creating a private key, which is a string of letters and numbers that acts as a password for your wallet and should be kept safe. 3. Once your wallet is set up, you will need to acquire some cryptocurrency, such as Ethereum, to use as gas for transactions on the blockchain. You can acquire this through a cryptocurrency exchange or through participating in a blockchain-based application or service. 4. After you have cryptocurrency in your wallet, you can interact with decentralized apps that are built on the blockchain. These apps will typically require you to connect your wallet to the app so that it can access your cryptocurrency. 5. Interacting with the apps will depend on the specific app, but it could include things like sending and receiving cryptocurrency, creating and managing smart contracts, or buying and selling digital assets. It's also important to take the necessary security measures to protect your private key and use only reputable dApps. What's the future? The future of Web3 is still being shaped by ongoing developments in the field, but there are several trends that are likely to have a significant impact on how it is used and adopted. 1. Decentralized finance is expected to continue growing in popularity and usage. DeFi is a set of financial applications that are built on blockchain technology and allow for peer-to-peer transactions without the need for intermediaries. This is expected to lead to greater financial inclusion and could potentially disrupt traditional financial systems. 2. Non-fungible tokens are also expected to see continued growth as they allow for the creation of unique digital assets that can be bought, sold, and traded on the blockchain. 3. Interoperability between different blockchain networks is also expected to become increasingly important, as it will allow for greater flexibility and scalability in the development and usage of Web3 technologies. 4. Privacy and security will continue to be important considerations for Web3, as the decentralized nature of the technology means that users are responsible for their own data and assets. 5. The adoption of Web3 technologies is also expected to be driven by the increasing demand for more control and autonomy by users over their own data and online experiences. It's worth noting that the future of Web3 is hard to predict and can change rapidly, but the technology has the potential to bring significant changes in the way we interact and conduct business online. What's the daily use case? There are a variety of potential daily use cases for Web3 technologies, depending on the specific application or service being used. Some examples include decentralized exchanges. Web3 technologies also enable the creation of decentralized exchanges where users can trade different digital assets in a peer-to-peer manner. 3. Decentralized lending and borrowing. DeFi platforms allow users to lend and borrow digital assets without the need for a traditional financial institution. 4. Digital identity. Web3 technologies enable users to take control of their own digital identity, using blockchain-based solutions to prove who they are and manage their personal data. 6. NFTs. NFTs can also be used to represent digital art, collectibles, and other types of digital assets, allowing users to own and trade them on the blockchain. 7. Supply chain management. Web3 technologies can be used to create a transparent and secure supply chain, tracking the flow of goods and services from the manufacturer to the end consumer. 8. Voting. Web3 technologies can be used to create decentralized voting systems that are transparent, secure, and tamper-proof. How do Web3 and AI connect, and what role will it have in the future? Web3 refers to the third generation of the World Wide Web, which is built on decentralized technologies such as blockchain. It aims to create a more decentralized and transparent internet where users have more control over their data and online interactions. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that deals with creating machines that can perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence, such as learning, problem solving, and decision-making. Web3 and AI can be connected in several ways. One way is through the use of blockchain-based smart contracts, which can be programmed to execute specific actions based on certain conditions. These smart contracts can be used to facilitate decentralized AI applications, such as decentralized data sharing, secure data storage, and privacy-preserving machine learning. Another way that Web3 and AI can connect is through decentralized autonomous organizations. DAOs are organizations that are run by a group of people but are controlled by smart contracts on the blockchain. In the future, the integration of Web3 and AI is likely to lead to more decentralized and autonomous systems that can operate independently of centralized authorities. This could lead to new business models and ways of organizing, as well as new opportunities for individuals to take control of their data and online interactions. How to make money from Web3 and AI. There are several ways to make money from Web3 and AI. 1. Building and selling decentralized applications. With the rise of Web3 technologies, there is a growing demand for decentralized applications that can run on blockchain networks. Developers can create and sell the apps that use AI to provide new and innovative services to users. 2. Investing in blockchain and AI startups. As Web3 and AI technologies continue to evolve, there will likely be a growing number of startups looking to take advantage of the opportunities these technologies offer. Investing in these startups can be a way to make money from Web3 and AI. 3. Providing AI-based services. AI is becoming increasingly important in a wide range of industries, from healthcare to finance to manufacturing. There is a growing demand for professionals who can provide AI-based services, such as data analysis and machine learning. 4. Using AI-based trading algorithms. Using AI-based trading algorithms, you can predict the prices of different assets and make profits from trading. 5. Participating in AI and Web3-based online marketplaces. There are online marketplaces for data, AI models, and computing power that allow individuals and organizations to buy and sell resources. 6. Participating in cryptocurrency mining. Cryptocurrency mining is the process of validating transactions on a blockchain network and adding them to the blockchain. Miners who validate transactions are rewarded with cryptocurrency. It's important to note that this is a rapidly evolving field, and the opportunities to make money from Web3 and AI are likely to change and grow over time. Now, it's important to note that Web3 and AI technology is still in its early stages of development, and there are still many challenges that need to be overcome. But the potential benefits to society are too great to ignore. So I urge you to start learning about Web3, AI, and its potential benefits to society. Get involved in the community and start exploring the ways in which you can use these technologies to shape a better future for all of us. If you have any tips that could help someone else gain a better understanding of these technologies and how they will shape our future during this time, please share in the comments below. Thank you for watching.